So in this video, you learn how to revert back to the default theme on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step in this process is to open the Galaxy theme store. To do that, you need to access it and you can do this in two ways. The first is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, then selecting themes. And the second is just by opening the settings app, then you can scroll down and tap on themes. Either way, you'll be redirected to the Galaxy theme store. So from here, to revert back to the default theme, start by tapping on the menu option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then under menu, select My Stuff. From here, you should see the different sections available for you to choose from. So you want to ensure that you're under Themes. Once you're under Themes, you should see the option labeled Default. So you want to tap on it, then select Apply. And this will now switch you from your current theme to the default theme that you first got used when you purchased the phone. So from here, you can see the default theme has been restored. All the changes that had been made with the theme pack that you had applied have been removed and reverted back to the default settings. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.